said on. At first, thanks to the honorable teachers for giving me a chance. Today is our class ending party. But you will be still student of the honorable teachers in this institute. I have got many teachers in my life, but I got best teachers in this institute. All teachers of this institute are good, such as our CEO sir, Muntaka sir, Human sir, Hamid sir, all teachers. Especially Muntaka sir, before admit on this institute, I was very weak on English. After attending Muntaka sir class, now I am very good at English. Muntaka sir made many hard topics easy for me. Muntaka sir had done very hard for us. After attending his class, now I am fully prepared for my IELTS exam. All teachers of this institute are very friendly. They help me on any problem which ask them. Thanks to our honorable teacher for helping.